If your Windows PC always feels like it's choking your internet speed, downloads crawling, videos buffering, or pings spiking, this video will permanently fix it. Open the registry editor, press the Windows key plus R, type regedit, and hit Enter. If you get a prompt, click Yes. Type this comment on the top. On the right panel, find a key named Network Throttling Index. If it doesn't exist, right-click anywhere, select New DORD 32-bit value, and name it exactly like this, Network Throttling Index now. Double-click it, and set the value data to FFFF. That's 8 capital Fs. Then set base to hexadecimal, and click OK. This completely disables Windows' built-in network throttling, allowing your system to use the full potential of your bandwidth. Next, optimize your TCP stack. Still in Registry Editor, paste this command. Now right-click on the right panel. Choose New DORD 32-bit value and name it TCPAC frequency. Double-click it. Set its value data to 1 and press OK. Do the same again. Create another DWARD and name it TCP no delay. Set its value to 1 and press OK. What this does is reduce TCP acknowledgement delays, improving packet response time for gaming, streaming, and downloads. Finally, close the registry editor and restart your computer. Open Local Group Policy Editor.press. Windows plus R. Type gpedit.msc and hit Enter. Now in the left panel. Navigate exactly like this. Computer configuration, administrative templates, network, QoS packet scheduler. Once you're inside, find the policy named Limit Reservable Bandwidth on the right side. Double-click, set it to Enabled, and in the Bandwidth Limit E% box, change the value to 0. Click Apply, then OK. Open Command Prompt as Administrator, search CMD, right-click on it, and select Run as Administrator. Now type this command and press Enter. This forces Windows to instantly apply your group policy changes. After it finishes, restart your PC again. Once back online, test your connection. You'll notice snappier browsing, faster downloads, and dramatically lower latency. That's it. You've permanently fixed slow internet speed on Windows. If this guide helped, leave a like and subscribe for more advanced PC optimization guides.